Show off your Bruin pride with the Westcom Bruin Edge Visa credit card. Earn 5% cash back on select UCLA purchases. 1.5% everywhere else. Redeemable for rewards that will make you want to 8-clap. Plus, enjoy no annual fee or transaction fees and get a $500 cashback bonus when you spend $2,500 in the first month. Now that's better banking for Bruins. Visit westcom.org to apply and for terms and conditions.
The Men of Westwood is the official collective UCLA men's basketball and football NIL opportunities. Founded by top-level UCLA supporters, the Men of Westwood was created to cultivate and facilitate NIL opportunities for student athletes with the idea of teaching our student athletes the concept of giving back in camps for underprivileged youth, attendance at youth hospitals, and other means of serving the community. For more information, visit menofwestwood.com or email bruins@menofwestwood.com.
This is the UCLA Sports Network from Learfield, sponsored by Progressive. Progressive Insurance gives you protection on the phone, online, or on the app 24/7. Because things happen 24/7. Get a quote at progressive.com.
At Ralph's, you can find the highest great price in every aisle, every day with Kroger brand. So you can stock up on your household favorites that are tried, tested, and loved by you. Because when you get the product you love at great prices, it feels like winning. Shop now or online. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Wendy's knows cold and soggy fries are the worst. So soggy. We're serving up hot and crispy fries all day, every day.
And all night until close.
With natural cut potatoes, seasoned perfection.
Show me that potato skin.
Wendy's hot and crispy aren't like other fries. We're your dream fry. Choose wisely. Choose Wendy's hot and crispy fries.
Guaranteed to be hot and crispy. If yours aren't, bring them back and we'll replace them.
The Patriot, AM 1150.
It's time to go one-on-one with Bruins head coach Mick Cronin. Here's the voice of the Bruins, Josh Lewin.
Our interview with Coach Mick Cronin brought to you by the Men of Westwood, the official NIL collective of UCLA men's basketball, helping to fund opportunities for the future of this great program. You can play a role yourself. Go to menofwestwood.com. Email bruins@menofwestwood.com. Mick, I was kind of glad to see when you met with the media and actually met with us after the game the other night. You kind of went away from the whole sky is falling thing, reminded us that, hey, 18-4 is pretty good. You've lost some games on the road to really good teams. So what is your big picture right now, 22 games in? 18-4 is a hell of a record.
Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know who would think the sky is falling in, what the hell they're watching. We're 18-4, got ourselves in good position. But that's all it is right now is position. Mm-hmm. So you're in first, but race is far from over. Try to continue to get better, win games. More games you win, better chance you got to have stay in the West Coast in March, make the NCAA tournament, and try to get out West. It'd be nice to win a Pac-12 title. So all things are ahead of us. We put ourselves in position. But there's a lot of ball to be played. And I will say this, you got to worry about today. Yeah. The hardest thing for me with our players right now is keep them focused on today. Because everybody around them is worried about their individual future. And everything they hear in the media is talking about the NCAA tournament, seedings, and you got to worry about today. That's the only way to climb a mountain is step by step. You got to stay focused on the step in front of you. You're going to slip and fall. So that's the hardest job right now as a coach, especially at our level where you got guys that have a chance at a future individually. You got to worry about one day at a time.
Your freshmen had very good days, I thought, the other night. The two ABs, Dembona and Amari Bailey. You were talking after the game about Bailey seems to look for Adem inside. You want to see more of that a little bit. In terms of Adem's progress, and obviously it's a great matchup with him and Muhammad Gay out there today, but talk to me, if you would, Mick, about what you're seeing out of Adem.
we got to get him the ball more. You know, I said it to you on the post-game show. I'm going to say it to you again. I said it to the guys Friday, and I said it to him this morning. We got to get him the ball more. He's shooting. The guy's shooting crazy field goal percentage, and he's done a really good job of finishing around the rim. And if you can get, like today, if you can get Muhammad Gay in foul trouble by pounding, getting them the ball and pounding the ball to the rim, not only do you score points, if you can put fouls on the other team's.
wants to go. He's looking up like, looking. Oh, typical behavior. That surprised me.